trendy right now is geometry. Hey guys, it's Dani here.
And I'm Courtney.
And today we're gonna be DIYing this awesome circular geometric shelf. This is something we're starting to see in the stores a lot.
It's very expensive.
Yeah. We're taking the DIY challenge and we're gonna make our own.
Yay.
It's gonna be a hoop. To begin your project, you're gonna need to start with two 14-inch metal hoops. I'm like really good at this. Is this a thing? Is this supposed to be easy? You try.
Nope.
Yeah, I'm a pro.
2 metal rods.
Yep.
14 inches.
3 of these metal rods at 5.5 inches.
Correct. And this is a metal adhesive. It's kind of like a putty, so you just mix it in your hand, and once it's all puttied up, you just stick it together, let it dry, and it's ready to go.
We need gloves because
Yes.
you can't actually touch this epoxy. It's dangerous. So we're gonna make sure our hands are nice and protected. We're taking off the epoxy here. We only need to take like a little bit of a chunk.
Yeah.
And then you're supposed to work it into your fingers.
Yes.
I'm gonna actually give you this
Okay.
to keep working on because we're gonna have to mark kind of where we want our rods to go. So like such. Like such. They should match up. We're gonna do this one first. So are you ready?
I'm ready.
First step is to attach the epoxy. Let's just get that in there.
Close off any gaps so you know it's secure.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, nice. Okay. That's gonna start to harden. It actually hardens very quickly, so you wanna make sure that you're working fast.
That's why you gotta have a buddy.
Let's get the other side here.
All right, okay.
That's nice. Okay, so now we need to make a second one of this. Good hand muscle workout.
Yes.
Now we have our two hoops that are going to be side by side like this. The next step is to attach our 5.5 centimeter rods, and we're gonna be placing them upwards like that and then just using more epoxy glue. And now we're gonna attach the third 5.5 inch rod at the very top of our shelf.
This is not a pleasant smell.
No, it works really well.
It works.
It doesn't smell good.
No.
Give it a little extra support.
Little hug.
A little turtleneck. So this is nice.
Yeah. It's a really good way to get to know someone.
Yeah.
You know? First date idea, maybe?
So now it's time to attach our second piece to our frame. So I'm just gonna line these up here for you, Courtney. So that looks really good though. While all this epoxy is just starting to harden, it's still a little soft. We're gonna be taking our wood piece of board, which we've measured out at 14 inches by 5.5. And so we're gonna actually slide it in and work it so that it creates a groove while it's still soft for our wood piece to work into.
It's coming together. It's getting somewhere.
We're gonna add little washers to the two sides, and this is what we're gonna use to help hang it up. It's just a bunch of blue hands smushing things. So while we're waiting for our washers to harden, we're going to reinforce our shelf using our good friend, super glue. Okay, we can't get the super glue over. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
We're just gonna stick this guy in around the edges. All right, so we just have to let this harden.
Okay, it's not bad.
We've spray painted. It's kind of like a seafoam green, mint, or however, whatever trendy color choice you'd like to call it. And honestly, I think it looks amazing. I love this color.
Yeah, no, the color is really nice.
We were gonna leave it as is, but with the cement adhesive, it kind of looks a bit blocky. So we're actually gonna do something to hide it, which is using this twine rope. And we're gonna be wrapping it around the big pieces here. And I think it's gonna add a nice little something to it. We'll race each other.
Oh, you want to play that game?
Now, we're all in this together.
What everyone in second place says.
Hey, dun, 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 dun. What do you think?
Cute.
So there we go. That's our beautiful DIY geometric shelf. It's a beautiful color.
And it's super trendy. I haven't seen anybody with one, so you're gonna be so unique compared to all your friends.
You got a really unique piece for your home and you made it yourself. Well, hot dog, you made it yourself.